I'm here today with you guys to open up my April BoxyCharm. This is my BoxyCharm Premium, so let's open it up and see what I got this month. So we'll start with my pick. So I was able to pick one item. I chose the Farmacy Honey Potion. Alright, so Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. It looks like it comes with a little applicator here too, which it's actually magnetic. That's pretty cool, so it sticks right to the lid so you don't lose it. If we open it up here, it smells good. It's cool. It has like a honey texture to it, and it's in like a little honey pot. This is cute. I'm super excited to try this. I have used this brand before. I have a face wash, I believe, that I like to use from them. So this is the Farmacy Honey Potion. Let's see. Next up, Lavido is maybe how we say it. I'm not sure. This is a new brand for me. So it's Grapefruit Seed, Melissa, and Avocado Age Away Replenishing Cream. So if we open it up, looks like it's just a little tube. It says inspired by nature. Using circular motions, massage this deeply nourishing, age-defying moisture cream into slightly damp, freshly cleansed skin until absorbed. Formulated for daily use. So it just looks like a nice moisturizer to use. Anti-aging also. See what's next. We have Juice Beauty. Looks like we got a liquid lip. Number 6 Drew is the name. Looks like a pinky kind of coral color. Let's see. I'm gonna put it on now. Yep. It looks like a pinky coral. Very pretty. I like the texture of it. It's not sticky at all. Alright, awesome. So Juice Beauty. We have some makeup brushes next. It looks like Opulent Beauty. There's 3 brushes in here. Looks like we have a bullet brush, the flathead brush, and then the powder brush. So open these up. Three really nice brushes. They're very soft. Okay. Next up we have Becca, the Shimmering Skin Perfector Luminous Blush. Let's see. Oh, that's a really pretty color. It definitely has a shimmer to it. You can see that there. Nice. So we'll be using that one. Actually, we can probably put it on now because I don't have any blush on. Okay. Awesome. It just adds a nice little pinky shimmer. You can definitely see the shimmering aspect of it because it adds a little bit of highlight to it. Oh, I like that one a lot. Awesome. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. I actually really like this brand, so I'm excited. I've never tried mascara from them before. I do already have some on though, so I won't put this on right now. It's a nice thin brush. There is one more thing in here. So I got a card for the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. I didn't actually get one in the box though. I just got this card. So here's a code. You have BOXY20, BOXY20, and you can get 20% off your purchase on makeuperaser.com. Alright guys, so that's everything that I got in my April. This is my premium BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe found some products that you want to try out. Like usual, I will always include some codes if you're new to BoxyCharm that you can use. Be safe and be healthy. Bye everyone.